So I'm starting with a motherboard replacement on a 6 Plus, and I have taken off both of the covers. There's an outer cover and an inner cover that just covers this area right here. What I'm looking at, on the right hand side here is the motherboard. On the left hand side, this is the power area. So there's a power board in here, and this is where it connects to the incoming power into the machine. So what we're actually replacing right now is the motherboard. What I would suggest is, before you even get started, take a couple of pictures so that you're absolutely sure that all of these connector wire colors match back up again. So just take a couple of minutes to take a couple of shots, make sure you get them from different angles so that you can make sure that every single clip that you took out goes back exactly where you got it. There are some screws that are located in the corners of the board here. You want to take those screws out so that you can get the motherboard out when the time comes. And make sure your power is disconnected. That's really important. Before you do that, just to make sure you don't cause any electrical shorts, you're going to go ahead and plug it back in. And once you're sitting, you're not moving around, go ahead and touch one of these grounds right here. Touch that ground area just to discharge any static electricity so you don't blow out anything on the board. Alright, I'm going to get started unscrewing and taking out the clips now.